The war involving Iran may be thousands of kilometers away from you, but it impacts you as much as it does the other countries, right in your wallet. From cooking oil to medicines, several everyday items could be more expensive if the conflict in West Asia continues. But how exactly does a war in Middle East affect what you pay at the supermarket or the pharmacy for? It all starts with energy and shipping routes. The Middle East sits at the center of the global oil trade and one of the narrow waterway, the Strait of Hormuz, which is one of the world's most important energy choke points. Roughly 20% of the world's oil supply moves through this route every day. The conflict has disrupted the shipping route and oil prices are also shooting up. And when the oil prices become expensive, the ripple effect spread across the entire economy. Higher crude prices mean high transport and manufacturing costs, meaning high inflation. Trucks, ships, and planes all run on fuel. So, when energy prices rise, the cost of moving goods also increases. Businesses then pass these higher costs on to consumers. That's one of the main reasons why cooking oil prices could rise. India imports a huge share of its edible oils, and shipping disruptions or higher freight costs could push up retail prices. But cooking oil is not just one item that's at risk. The conflict could also make medicines more expensive. India's pharmaceutical industry depends heavily on imported raw materials and chemical ingredients. If shipping routes become unstable or logistics costs rise, drug manufacturers may face higher production costs, which could eventually make medicines costlier for you as a consumer. Another big factor is global supply chains. Many goods move through the Middle East on their way between Asia, Europe, and the rest of the world. Asia's high income economies heavily rely on commodity imports from Japan to South Korea to Singapore to Hong Kong. All import 80% of their energy needs. When tensions rise, shipping companies often reroute vessels, avoiding conflicted zones, or pay much higher insurance premiums. Now, that means longer journeys, high freight charges, and also delayed deliveries. All of those costs ultimately trickle down to ordinary consumers like you and me. Experts say that if the war drags on, the economic impact would spread beyond just cooking oil and medicines. Higher oil prices can also push up the cost of transportation, fertilizers, plastics, and even food production, creating wider inflation across multiple sectors. For now, much of this depends on how long the conflict lasts and whether major shipping routes remain open. Because if tensions escalate further in West Asia, the next impact of the Iran war may not just be geopolitical headlines, it could be the bill that you pay at the store. That's all for today. I will see you in the next week. Till then, keep watching ET Now for more such news and views.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.